look at Mommy.
That's a good scoop. Check that out.
She's cleaning out the chicken coop of the chicken poop, putting it in the composter. All my grass clippings and weeds and wood stuff. She's got her phone bandolier on in case Renata calls. And the chickens are all like, what's happening? What's happening? Nice job, Mommy.
Yep.
We're so excited about our coop getting cleaned out. Yay.
So yeah, I'm a chicken farmer.
And into the lovely... Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Another windy, rainy day. But got another harebrained idea. And so I'm going to take you through it and show you what I'm doing. Just threw the forks on the tractor, and I'm going to grab a empty tote cage and put it on the tractor. And then I'm going to go grab what this episode is about, which is, well, you'll see here in a minute. Sorry about the rain and the noise. Check it out. All right, so we got the tote cage loaded up. And now we're going to get on the tractor and get over to the truck and see if we can get this party started. Well, you'd think living in this area, Northwest, and next to all these mill towns, that finding sawdust, dry sawdust that you can use for chicken coops and mulching and composting toilets, just has lots and lots of uses. Would be easy to find, but it hasn't been. But I did find some, and right here under my upside down tote in a big huge bag. So we're gonna get it out of the truck, hopefully easily, and put it inside the tote that I have turned upside down, and then inside the tote cage that we just pulled out. And then I'll be able to maneuver it around the shop and utilize it and also keep it dry. So here we go. Alright, there's the bag of sawdust. I'm going to try to hook onto that and take it into the shop before it gets too wet.
last trip to the yarn store after lockdown. Just kidding. We wouldn't let that be out in the rain.
Let me know when I'm clear of the gate.
Okay, like backwards wise?
Like I can let the bag down.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh yeah.
Out of the air so it doesn't tip the tractor.
Oh, that'd be good to not do. Could we scoot that thing under it? Plan B.
Huh?
Oh, I'm just talking.
So it was a no-go on the, it does have a bottom, but I think if I untied that, then it would just probably sit in there. I don't know if it would come out or not. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Oh, like if we put it above it and just poured them in there?
Right. I untied that right there, if it would just...
Yeah, but the fear about that is that it's going to overflow, right?
Well, I think it's close to the same amount. I don't know. Maybe I should investigate.
Oh, you mean before you try it?
Yeah. Before I try to empty it. I mean, I don't really need to empty it.
I just thought it'd be convenient to have that pallet under there.
Right, because then you can move it around easily.
Move it around more easily.
Oh, you want me to help you move that?
I mean, it's just sawdust. It's not a big deal.
All right.
So I think I can get in there.
Okay. There's the bag. There's the offender.
It does have a little bottom thing.
It does. It has a big bottom.
What's that?
I said it has a big bottom. We never claim to know what we're doing. Are you going to get it with the tractor? Do you want me to move it? Line it up? No. Got it. Oh, it's going in at the bottom. It's not really interesting video at the moment. There we go. What about the lid? You have to remove the lid? You have to remove the lid? Throw the lid in there?
I can pull this out.
Okay.
It's a great idea.
It was a good idea.
We might still have it.
Well, yeah, like once you use some of them. Of course it did.
Maybe I'll just put this back in for now.
Okay. I'm just gonna keep recording. You can always delete me. Oh, I thought you were taking that thing somewhere though.
Huh?
Didn't you want to take that out? Okay. When it's pouring again?
Well, it's kind of muddy down there. It'll be better when it's dry.
Yeah. Okay, we
So-
done? Or you want to talk?
Yeah, I'll just talk a little bit. So anyway, part of
Got
the
it?
plan worked. Yes. We got the sawdust, but we couldn't get it into the tote like I wanted, but I'm going to research that. Maybe I can get it done. All right, so I guess there's actually a label on here that tells you what you can and can't or should or shouldn't do. Didn't even see that. That's interesting. Anyway, a bunch of sawdust, a bunch of kiln dried sawdust, pine sawdust. So, kind of excited about having that, so I can do some different things. But anyway, we'll keep you posted on how this plays out. But supposedly one of the best goodies for composting toilets, and maybe some other uses as well. Oh, if you were curious, this bag, I think he said, is a 650-pound bag, and it's $40. That includes a $5 deposit for the bag. So if I bring it back, the next load this size, this is a medium bag, next load this size will only be $35. And I bought some, I think it was fir sawdust at the landscaping store, but it was all wet. So it's really not very absorbent. We did use it for some other stuff, but it's not, doesn't have the absorbent factors that I'm hoping to get out of this. Anyway, Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.